future of artificial intelligence. The future of AI is incredibly promising, with the potential to transform every sector of society. In healthcare, AI can help diagnose diseases and develop personalized treatment plans. In finance, it can assist with fraud detection and investment decisions. And in manufacturing, it can improve efficiency and quality control. The role of AI in healthcare is particularly exciting. With the ability to analyze vast amounts of medical data, AI can help identify patterns and correlations that might otherwise go unnoticed. This can lead to more accurate diagnoses, earlier detection of diseases, and personalized treatment plans tailored to each patient's unique needs. In the field of finance, AI can help banks and other financial institutions detect and prevent fraud. It can also assist with investment decisions by analyzing large amounts of data and identifying patterns that may not be apparent to human analysts. In manufacturing, AI can be used to optimize production processes, reduce waste, and improve quality control. This can lead to cost savings and increased efficiency, as well as better products for consumers. In the transportation sector, AI is already being used to develop self-driving cars, which have the potential to reduce accidents and congestion on our roads. Additionally, AI can be used to optimize logistics and improve the efficiency of supply chains. In the energy sector, AI can be used to optimize the use of renewable energy sources, like wind power and solar power. It can also assist with the management of power grids, helping to reduce energy waste and improve reliability. In the field of education, AI can be used to personalize learning and provide students with individualized feedback. It can also assist with grading and assessment, and freeing up teachers' time for more important tasks. In the field of agriculture, AI can be used to optimize crop yields and reduce waste. It can also assist with the management of livestock, helping to improve animal welfare and reduce the use of antibiotics. In the field of law enforcement, AI can assist with crime prediction and prevention. It can also be used to analyze crime scenes and assist with investigations, potentially leading to more accurate and faster resolution of criminal cases. In the field of marketing, AI can assist with customer segmentation and personalized advertising. It can also be used to optimize pricing and promotions, leading to more effective marketing campaigns. In the field of customer service, AI can be used to develop chatbots and other automated systems that can assist customers with their inquiries and problems. This can lead to improved customer satisfaction and reduced wait times. In the field of journalism, AI can be used to assist with fact-checking and content curation. It can also be used to analyze social media trends and identify important stories that might otherwise go unnoticed. In the field of sports, AI can be used to analyze performance data and develop training plans tailored to each athlete's unique strengths and weaknesses. It can also assist with officiating, potentially leading to more accurate and fair decisions. In the field of entertainment, AI can be used to assist with content creation and curation. It can also be used to analyze audience data and develop personalized recommendations for movies, TV shows, and other forms of entertainment. Finally, it's important to note that while the potential benefits of AI are vast, there are also potential risks and challenges that must be addressed. As AI becomes more prevalent in our lives, it will be important to ensure that it is developed and deployed in an ethical and responsible manner. This will require ongoing research, development, and collaboration between experts in a variety of fields, including computer science, ethics, and law. Thanks for watching. If you want to watch more videos, then please like, share and subscribe.